Alright food lovers, welcome back to another exciting episode where we take simple ingredients and turn them into something extraordinary. Today I'm going to show you how to take your potatoes to the next level with a recipe that's bound to become a staple in your kitchen. We're talking about a dish that's not only easy to make but also packed with flavor. We're making crispy Jersey royals with curry leaves. This dish is a perfect blend of crispy textures and aromatic flavors. Trust me, this dish is an absolute game changer. So, let's dive right in. You'll be amazed at how a few simple steps can transform your potatoes. First things first, let's talk potatoes. The type of potato you use can make a big difference in the final dish. Jersey royals are small, waxy, and absolutely delicious. They have a unique texture and flavor that sets them apart from other potatoes. They're perfect for this recipe because they crisp up beautifully while staying fluffy on the inside. This contrasting texture is what makes them so special. Plus, they've got a lovely nutty flavor that pairs brilliantly with the curry leaves. The combination is simply irresistible. Start by giving your Jersey royals a good wash. It's important to clean them thoroughly to remove any dirt. No need to peel them. The skin is where all the flavor is. Plus, it adds to the crispiness. Pop them into a pot of salted water and bring them to a boil. The salt helps to season the potatoes from the inside out. Cook until they're just tender, which should take about 10-12 minutes. You want them to be soft enough to eat but firm enough to hold their shape. You don't want them to be mushy. We're aiming for that perfect bite. Test them with a fork to make sure they're just right. While your potatoes are cooking, let's prep our flavor bomb. This is where the magic happens. Heat a generous glug of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. The oil will help to crisp up the potatoes and carry the flavors of the spices. Once the oil is hot, toss in a handful of fresh curry leaves. These leaves are going to completely oil with their unique aroma. They'll start to crackle and release their amazing aroma. This is when you know they're doing their job. Sizzle those leaves for a couple of minutes until they're crispy and fragrant. This step is crucial to building the flavor base in the dish. Next, drain your potatoes and give them a good shake to rough up the edges. This helps to create more surface area for crispy. This is the secret to getting that extra crispiness. The rough edges will become wonderfully crunchy when fried. Add the potatoes to the pan with the curry leaves and toss to coat them in that flavored oil. Make sure every potato is well coated. Let them cook, stirring occasionally until they're golden and crispy all over. This should take about 8-10 minutes. Be patient, it's worth it. Now let's add a bit of seasoning magic. This is where you can really make the dish your own. Sprinkle over some sea salt, a pinch of chili flakes for a bit of heat, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten everything up. These final touches elevate the dish to a whole new level. Give it all one last toss and there you have it. Crispy Jersey royals with curry leaves. It's a dish that's sure to impress. Serve them up as a side dish or just dig in as a snack. They're versatile and delicious in any setting. The crispy texture, the burst of flavors from the curry leaves, and that hint of chili, it's potato perfection. Every bite is a delightful experience. So next time you're looking to jazz up your spuds, give this recipe a go. It's a simple way to make your meals more exciting. Your taste buds will thank you. This dish is sure to become a favorite in your household. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. We've got plenty more culinary adventures coming your way. Catch you next time, foodies. Keep cooking and keep enjoying great food.